The eufy Smart Lock S230 offers an impressive 1-year battery life thanks to its powerful 10,000 milliampere hour rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. Its advanced fingerprint recognition technology ensures rapid and secure unlocking, with the system learning and adapting to your fingerprint usage patterns over time. This smart lock integrates seamlessly with a eufy video doorbell, allowing you to see who is at your door and unlock it directly from the same screen. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in approximately 15 minutes without the need for professional assistance or additional equipment. Certified by the Builders Hardware Manufacturers Association, the lock has been tested for durability and security, withstanding over 100,000 locking cycles. With its robust construction and IP65 weatherproof rating, the eufy Smart Lock S230 is designed to perform reliably in various weather conditions.